आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, let us solve the question. A hyperbola passes through the point 2, 3 and has asymptotes 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0, 12x plus 5y minus 40 is equal to 0. Then the equation of its transverse axis. So what is this? So let us draw the figure to understand what is the transverse axis. Now, if this is the hyperbola, this axis is conjugate axis and this horizontal axis is transverse axis. Transverse axis. So the axis which contain the hyperbola. So if there is a point on this hyperbola, so if this point contain the, if this point is on the hyperbola, then the transverse axis is the axis which contain the hyperbola. Okay. So what is the equation of the asymptotes? These are the equation of asymptotes, and we have to find out the equation of transverse axis. So equation of this axis. Now again, the equation of this axis can be found out using the angle bisector. So this axis is angle bisector of these two asymptotes. Now, if this is the angle bisector, this is the angle bisector, then we can easily find out this axis. So what is the equation of asymptotes? 3x minus 4y plus 5. 3x minus 4y plus 5 upon the square root of 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16. This is equal to plus and minus sign. What is the second equation? 12x plus 5y minus 40. So 12x plus 5y minus 40 upon the square root of 12 square and 5 square. Now we will get two equations based on this plus and minus sign. So which sign we will take, how we will decide. Now one sign gives transverse axis and the other sign gives conjugate axis. So to decide which sign we will take, let us find out the value of a1, a2 plus b1, b2. So what is this? What is the equation of asymptote? 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now let us keep the constant term positive. It is already positive. What is the second equation? Now from the first equation, this value is a1, this is b1. From the second equation, 12x plus 5y minus 40 is equal to 0. Now the sign of the constant term is negative. So let us multiply the equation with minus 1. So we get minus 12x minus 5y plus 40. This is equal to 0. Now what is a2 and what is b2? And find out the a1, a2, b1, b2. So a1 is 3 multiplied by minus 12 plus b1 is minus 4 multiplied by minus 5. So minus 36 plus 20. This is equal to minus 16, which is less than 0. So the value of this expression is less than 0. So we can say this is the acute angle bisector. So if this is acute angle bisector, so we will pick the positive sign. So our expression becomes 3x minus 4y plus 5 upon, in the denominator we get 5. This is equal to, now take positive sign. So 12x plus 5y minus 40 upon 13. Now cross multiply. So 13 3 ja 39x minus 52y plus 6 5. This is equal to 60x plus 25y minus 200. Now 60x minus 39x becomes 21x. 25y plus 52y becomes 77y. with positive sign, and minus 200 minus 65 becomes minus 265. This is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the transverse axis. Now let us check the options. So 21x minus, so we have plus sign, plus 77y minus 265. So 21x plus 77y minus 265. So options D is correct. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।